OpenAI has introduced GPT 5.6 Soul, a new AI model built for faster responses, stronger reasoning, and improved coding performance. But is it actually worth using? Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. What is GPT 5.6 Soul? GPT 5.6 Soul is one of OpenAI's latest AI models designed to handle complex tasks more efficiently than previous GPT versions. It focuses on better logical reasoning, more accurate coding, improved instruction following, and fewer hallucinations. It's also optimized to deliver high quality responses while maintaining fast performance. Key features. Here are the biggest improvements. Stronger reasoning. It performs better on multi step problems, math, and technical questions. Improved coding. GPT 5.6 Soul can generate, debug, and explain code more accurately across languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++. Better instruction following. It understands complex prompts more reliably, reducing the need to rewrite your requests. More accurate responses. OpenAI has worked on reducing incorrect or fabricated information. Faster performance. Responses are generally quicker while maintaining high quality output. Large context window. It can process long conversations and large documents more effectively. Pricing. GPT 5.6 Soul is available through OpenAI's API, with pricing based on the number of input and output tokens you use. The exact cost depends on your usage, making it suitable for both individual developers and businesses building AI powered applications. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent reasoning abilities, strong coding performance, faster and more reliable responses, better at following detailed instructions, handles long context tasks efficiently. Cons: API usage can become expensive for large scale projects, still isn't perfect, and may occasionally produce inaccurate answers. Some advanced features may only be available through specific OpenAI plans or API access. Final verdict: if you need an AI model for programming, research, automation, or complex problem solving, GPT 5.6 Soul is one of the strongest options available in 2026. Its combination of speed, reasoning, and coding improvements makes it a solid upgrade for developers, businesses, and power users. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI reviews and comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.